Okay. I think you're tired. Where is Loy? Loy is doing his own thing. Loy is doing his own thing. Yeah. He's not happy playing with the ball. Only Kiara loves to play ball. Yeah. No, Louis is just looking. Louis, here. Go. His own thing. Okay, wrong. That was wrong. That was wrong grammar, sorry. Okay, stop throwing bombs at Sorry. It was wrong grammar, sorry. This is for Loy. Louis, where are you? Here's your ball. We play it. No, no, he's not interested. No, he's not interested. What he like? Only cuddles. He likes only cuddles from mommy. Look cute. Agay. Lois loves cuddles. Agay. Agad. OMG, Loy, why you bad mood? Yeah, he's not interested to play. Oh. All right. Yapit na di ko mag-end. Yeah, Louis here. Come, baby. Come, my love. Come, mama. Hello, my love. What's happened? Huh? What do you want, my love? Come, baby. Love ka, mama sa. Come here. You don't like the ball? Huh? You don't want to play the ball? Where is your teddy? Huh? Where is your teddy bear? Teddy bear. Huh? I'm eating chocolate. Oh, wow. Enjoy. Wow, can you give me some chocolate? You're aesthetic girl. Miss Lexi. Sit down.